สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I have got this beautiful chicken from the farm and so I'm going to make chicken stock. In order to make the chicken stock, I will need the carcass. First, I just cut the wing out and then the leg. Beautiful. And now we're gonna get the chicken breast out. This is why you need very sharp, flexible knife to fillet the chicken. And this carcass, we'll just cut it through this triangle. You really need a good knife. There you go. Okay, and now I have got the carcass that I want to make the chicken stock. For the fillet, I put it aside already and I'm gonna cook with this fillet in the future. And right now, I can start to boil this carcass. So for the first boil, I use very high heat so it gets boiled quickly and in the same time it releases a lot of fat and foam on this pot. So next step, we're gonna use nice new pot with new water. This technique, you will get beautiful stock, clear soup. And now I have moved the chicken carcass into the nice new pot with the 3 liters water. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna give medium to low heat and it's gonna be cooked slowly. In the meantime, we can prepare the ingredients. Carrot, onion, shiitake mushroom, coriander root, bay leaf, coriander, garlic, cloves, black pepper, salt. And if you notice, my broth seems to be so many ingredients in here. In Western, they use broth for making sauce and things like that. So we use slightly different ingredients in the broth. For me, use the broth for soup base, which when I like to make chicken noodles or breakfast soup. By the way, if you want to see my breakfast soup recipe or my breakfast soup video, I also have the link up there. Okay, let's get started to prepare these vegetables and herbs. And I use 100 grams of onion. Just quarter it. And beat the root just a little bit. Then actually ready. I'll give it a boil for 3 hours on low heat. And now it's 3 hours and my broth is finished. It smells so good, such aromatic smell, and it looks so beautiful as well. Now you know how to make this delicious stock or chicken stock that you can use as soup base when you want to cook Thai food. I hope you try this at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. I also have Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me there. And today, enjoy your evening and have a very spicy day. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ So I will let it cool down like I have told you before and then I'm gonna package it into a smaller package so that I can use that for the soup base in the future. And if you can see here, these also look yummy. I have a little bit of broth left in here and a little bit of the chicken carcass that have a little bit of meat on it. Normally my dad would just make the tom yum out of this and he can just enjoy it while he has some beer. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna make tom yum out of this. Mushroom and soup.